Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to this video review about a fantastic saltwater trick. You might already know it as Renew, but I'm here to explain how Renew works and how many people are using this saltwater trick to enhance their immunity, improve their overall health, get better sleep at night, and lose weight. Sounds magical, right? And it truly is, folks. Renew works because it uses the finest ingredients, all derived from Mother Nature, to help restore your health, significantly reducing the need for doctor visits. So, stick around in this video if you want to find out what Renew is, how it can help you, and how you should take it. But before we dive in, let me quickly mention that if you're considering purchasing Renew, they have an official website which is the safest place to buy it. Okay? I left the link in the description box right below this video. There you can see what people are saying, learn the full story of Renew, buy it at great prices, and customer service is always ready to help you. So be sure to check it out later to learn more, alright? You might be curious about what makes this saltwater trick so amazing. It's because Renew uses the best ingredients from Mother Nature. We're talking about nutrients and minerals like magnesium, alanine, zinc, among others. All these natural ingredients have many benefits in common. They help strengthen your immunity, improve your sleep at night, boost your energy levels, and promote weight loss by speeding up your metabolism and reducing cravings. Renew was created for people struggling with these issues and looking for a natural solution to avoid toxins and chemicals, because Renew contains none of those. It is gluten-free, chemical-free, and stimulant-free. Renew is the next best thing because people who take their treatment seriously with Renew can see significant improvements. In today's world, having a strong immune system is essential, right? Renew can really help boost your immunity, and many people have reported that it helps reduce aches and discomfort throughout their bodies. Once you get your own Renew, you can start using it right away. The manufacturers recommend a 6-month treatment, which is the full course. Think about it, 6 months go by quickly and all you need to do is take 1 or 2 capsules a day. Additionally, if you purchase Renew and aren't satisfied with it, if it doesn't meet your needs or expectations, you can simply contact customer service on the official website and they will help you get a full refund. So visit their official website, give it a try. I'm sure that in the future you won't regret it because you'll be full of vitality, full of life, and your overall health will be much better. Okay? So this is the link you need to visit. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.